Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to build an online store with Big Cartel. In this video, we will talk about what Big Cartel is and what it is used for, how to sign up on the platform, and we will take you through all the steps of creating an online store on Big Cartel. So make sure you're watching this video till the end. Let's begin with a short introduction to what Big Cartel is. As you can see, the platform makes creating online stores for artists and makers really easy and simple. If you scroll down, you can see that these are the different pricing and plans. The gold plan is the one that is free and it's the one that we're going to use, and you get all these advantages. The next plan is the platinum plan, which has all these features as mentioned over here, and you will get it at $9.99 per month. Lastly is the diamond plan, which is at $19.99 per month, and you can get all these benefits. So now let's look at how you can start your journey with Big Cartel. All you need to do is click on this open your store button over here in the center of the page, or at the top right side, that is also the sign up button. Let's go ahead and click this open your store button. Choose a plan, which is the gold one, and we're just clicking on this button and it'll be taking you to the sign up page where you simply need to give in your email address, put in a password, create a shop name, and you can see that Big Cartel will create a URL for your shop below that, and then click the sign up button. Next, you need to verify your email. You can also change your email address if you want. In the email you receive, all you need to do is click this verify your email address button, and you will be taken to what is called your dashboard. Let's move this out of the way. On the top bar, you can see that the first space is your dashboard, which is where we are on right now. Then there is the orders tab, products, followed by discounts and your account. On the dashboard, you can see that we are on the getting started checklist. So these are all the steps that are required to start or launch your online store. And below is all the statistics of your store. Currently, everything is zero over here because we've not started a store. So let's go and do that. Let's go for the first step, which is verify your location and currency, which it'll do automatically. All you need to do is click that button. And as you scroll down, you can see the platform has detected your country and time zone, as well as automatically it has set the currency as well. You don't need to do anything. But in case you want to edit anything, you can simply click on this to edit it. We are okay with our details over here. So let's go to the top of the page. And over here, you can see you can add a profile image if you want. Your email address is mentioned over here. You can click this edit profile button to edit your details of your profile. And that's it about your account. Now let's go ahead and create our shop. If you go back to the dashboard, you can see that the first step, which is verifying location and currency, has been ticked off. The next thing you need to do is add a product. To add a product, you simply need to click on this button that says add a product. And let's add our first button. Let's add a product name over here. Next, you need to add a description. Copy paste your description, and if you want to edit anything, you can do that here as well. You can select a category, but for now we have not created any categories, so simply hit the manage categories button over here and click on the plus icon over here and create a category. So we're just going to create this category and click on the save button to have it saved under your categories list, and it'll automatically get selected for this product. Then you have the status option and then price. Give it, say, $200. Then there are more options. When you scroll down, there's also the shipping option, US tax category, etc. And if everything is fine for the details, then just click on save. And you can see on the top, it has said that you've added a product successfully. So that's basically how you add a product. So this is all the details that you've given for your product, and you've also gotten your product URL. Now let's go ahead and add some images. We could have done that earlier, but let's do it right now. For now, we are going with a single image. You can add multiple images, but that's for other plans. So let's go for only one image right now. And once you're okay with all the details, then you can simply click on the save button and your product has been created for your store. Now what we need to do is go ahead and create the store itself. For that, you need to go to account. You can add a profile image over here. Once you've added a profile image, then you need to go to this section, which is your shop. You can view your shop by this preview button. You can change the status of your website to maintenance mode by clicking over here, which it is in currently because we haven't created it right now. That is what we're going to do. For that, you just need to click on this design button over here and you will be taken to the interface where you can create your own online store. On the left side, you can see that there are 4 tabs over here. First is the theme, wherein you can select any theme. Currently, it is set to this theme. Now, if I want to change it, I can simply browse over here through these themes and select anyone which makes sense or is suitable to my product. So I'm just going ahead with this one. When you've decided which theme you want to go for, you just need to click on use theme and it'll ask you like this. You can simply click on OK. The next tab is the settings tab. And here you've got a lot of options that you can see over here. You can add a header image, which is what we're going to do. And once you add the image, it should be appearing on the website. There's also a background image option that you can add. And as you can see on the website, our header image has been added. You can change the colors as well. Like you can go for this one. The text color can be changed to something interesting like that. You can also change the colors for the other options mentioned over here. You can change the fonts over here. There's also the options for welcome text, featured products order, products per page. Scroll down and you can see more options like this: price display, currency sign, Twitter URL, Facebook URL, Tumblr URL, and also Instagram if you are a person who runs their shop on these social media profiles. So that's it about the settings. Then if you go to pages, then you can add pages by clicking this button over here, give it a name, and it will get added to the website. So if you want, you can add an about page and click on done. The about page is added over here. As you can see, products, about, contact. And on the top right side, on the corner, you can see these are the different views available by BigCartel. First is the desktop mode that we were on. Then there's the tablet mode, which this is, and then comes the mobile mode, which is this. Let's stick with the desktop mode for now. You can also hide this sidebar like this. And at the bottom of this page, you can see that there are 3 options, which is exit, discard, and publish. If you click on publish, your store is getting published right now. And it'll come as a message over here. You simply need to click OK. And you can see the last edited detail over here. Click on exit. And now if you click the preview icon over here, you can see that this is how your website will look like. Okay, now if you're fine with everything, all you need to go back and do is turn off this maintenance mode. So that is how you create your own online store on BigCartel, and that brings this video to an end. We truly hope it has helped you. Do let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any video topic suggestions for us, do let us know that as well. We'll catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.